In this video, we're going to show you the initial setup and how to get connected to your account. So what we're going to do is show you how to get a textable phone number so you can text back and forth with all of your leads and track all those conversations. Show you how to connect your Facebook account, your Google account, and send your first online review invite. Now, the first thing we're going to do is get a textable phone number. And you can see from within your account at the very top, it's going to say get a phone number to start texting and calling. And you can do that by clicking resolve right here. Or if we come down to settings, we click on settings, we click on phone numbers under business services, we can click on add number. And when we click on add number, it's going to have us select our country and then type in our area code. So let's say our area code is 801. So we'll type in 801 and click search. If there are no numbers found in your specific area code, try another area code related to the area that you live. So I'm going to put in 385, click on search, and it's going to pop up all available numbers that we can go through and use for our business. So it doesn't matter which number you choose, you can find which one you like the best, but I'm just going to use this top number and click save. Next, what we'd like to do is add a forwarding phone number. So for anyone that calls this phone number, the calls will be forwarded to this number right here. So this could be an office line, this could be your cell phone, whatever number you'd like the calls to be forwarded to. So we're just going to click on this edit pencil, and under forward calls to, you're just going to type in your phone number. So whatever phone number that is. And then what we're going to do is come down here, an incoming call timeout, we're going to set that to 20. And we're just going to click update. Now, anytime somebody calls this phone number, it'll be directed to this phone number right here. Now you are all set with your textable phone number so you can text back and forth with all new leads that are coming in. Next, let's connect your Facebook and Google accounts. So what we're going to do is from here, we're going to click on integrations. And the first one we're going to connect is your Google account. And this is going to be able to allow us to connect with your Google business profile. So we'll click on connect right here. I'm just going to log in really quick. And once you've connected your Google account, you want to come over here to Google My Business and select a GMB page. So this is going to pop up a drop down to ask you which business do you want to link to this location. So we're going to select the page and then enable GMB call tracking and click connect. You'll see now that the business that you selected is now connected underneath Google My Business. Now from here, let's connect your Facebook account. So all we're going to do is click on connect and go through the steps to connect your Facebook account. From here, it's going to ask you which Facebook business page you'd like to connect to. So then we're just going to select our Facebook business page and click connect. So as you can now see, we've got our Facebook business page connected, our Google account connected, and the next thing that we're going to want to do is create an automated review link before we send our first review invite. And in order to do that, all we have to do is click on reputation management. We click on generate link, and since our Google account is already connected, it's going to automatically create the link, and we just click save. What this link does is pops up an automated online review modal. So when we send this to our customers via email or text, they can click on it and easily leave a 5-star review. Now, let's send our first review invite. So we can do that two ways. You can either from here, click on send review request, or if we go back to our main dashboard, we can click on quick actions and click on send a review request. From here, you're just going to type in your customer's name and your customer's email or phone number and click on send a review invite. So if we click on send a review invite, this will automatically send out that review link to this client. And if we come over here to conversations, we'll click on all and we can see the automated review link right here that was sent to this customer. And if this customer responds, you can see the two-way text back and forth conversation with this lead. Now that concludes our training for today. We went through and got a textable phone number so you can text back and forth with your clients. We connected our Facebook and Google accounts, and we sent our first review invite.